This scanner eats paper jams for breakfast. Epson DS-575W II review. Too fast to be legal? Let's be real, scanning documents shouldn't feel like wrestling a greased-up octopus. But if you're drowning in paperwork, using some clunky relic from the fax machine era, then you know the pain: crumpled scans, blurry messes, and a scanner that jams more than a high school garage band. You're trying to get your life, or business, in order, but your equipment is straight up sabotaging your flow. The frustration? Off the charts. The motivation? Gone. And the wasted hours? Oh, they're stacking higher than your unscanned paperwork. Now throw in deadlines, invoices, contracts, and client files that were due yesterday. You've got one chance to impress that big client, and your scanner just ate the contract. Again. Productivity plummets, burnout creeps in, and that dream of a paperless office becomes a cruel joke. You start fantasizing about yeeting your entire setup into a volcano. Let's face it, the old gear isn't just annoying, it's costing you opportunities, money, and your peace of mind. Enter the Epson DS-575W II, the high-speed, Wi-Fi-enabled, duplex document scanning beast that flips the script. This ain't your grandma's clunky flatbed. We're talking 35 pages per minute, 70 images per minute, one-pass duplex, wireless scanning, and a 50-page ADF so smooth it practically begs for paperwork. With the Epson Smart Panel app, you can scan from your phone like a boss. It's loaded with OCR, searchable PDFs, editable Word and Excel exports, Twain and ISIS drivers, and more. This thing's not just a scanner, it's a personal productivity sidekick that never takes a day off. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to clarity. With blank page removal, auto-rotation, skew correction, and dirt detection, the Epson DS-575W II gives you flawless scans every time. You can finally multitask like a legend, handle long pages, folded documents, ID cards, even receipts without batting an eye. Plus, it's got a 3-year warranty, advance exchange support, and next business day shipping, so even if you somehow break it, good luck, Epson's got your back. Streamline your workflow, reclaim your sanity, and never fear the paper pile again. So why wait and let your paperwork pile up like a digital guilt trip? Don't miss out, the Epson DS-575W II is selling fast for a reason. Join the thousands of users who've already leveled up their home office, small business, or work from anywhere lifestyle. Act now and snatch up this scanner before your next crisis hits. Because when your business depends on speed, precision, and zero excuses, you need a tool that's got your hustle. Smash that button, get the DS-575W II, and scan like a pro.